Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be covering nouns and various categories of nouns. At the end of the session, there would be practice sessions where we will check our progress and see what all we have learned. So let's get into the video. Nouns. Now what are nouns? In simpler terms, nouns are essentially naming words. Anything in the world which has a name is a noun. To define it, a noun is a word that is used to name a person, a thing, an animal, or a place, or even an abstract idea. यानी नाउन या संज्ञा वह शब्द हैं जो किसी इंसान का नाम, किसी जगह का नाम, किसी पशु या पक्षी का नाम या किसी भी चीज का नाम या इवन एक अमूर्त विचार का नाम जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते ना छू सकते हैं, सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं. Some examples of nouns are Ashok. Ashok is a name of a person. Cat. Cat is a name of an animal. India. India is a name of a place. And youth. Youth यानी जवान या जवानी. So जवानी एक abstract idea है यानी अमूर्त विचार है जिसको हम छू नहीं सकते ना देख सकते हैं. Now nouns are classified into two major categories, proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is the name of any particular person, place, animal or thing. यानी किसी एक विशिष्ट इंसान, जगह, पशु, पक्षी या चीज का नाम proper noun कहलाता है. For example, Ashoka was a great king. Now here the name Ashoka refers to this great king who used to rule over India. Now Ashoka, the name of a person, is a proper noun. Delhi is the capital city of India. Delhi and India, they are both particular places in the world. So Delhi and India will be proper noun. Pluto is my pet dog. Now my pet dog's name is Pluto. So here the name of the dog, that is Pluto, is a proper noun. Now proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Keep this in mind. Now sometimes proper noun can be used as common noun. For example, Aryabhatta was a great mathematician. Now if I say to somebody, you are the Aryabhatta of the class, that means that person or that student is great in mathematics and he is always at the forefront in the mathematics class. Now he can be referred to as the Aryabhatta of the class. That means he is the great mathematician in the class. In this way, proper nouns can be supplemented as common nouns. Common nouns. Common nouns are the names of any person, place, animal or thing of the same class or same kind. यानी किसी भी इंसान का नाम, किसी भी जगह का, पशु पक्षी का या किसी भी चीज का नाम जो एक ही वर्ग को जताता हो, उसको कॉमन नाउन कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अशोका वॉज अ ग्रेट किंग. नाउ हियर इन दिस सेंटेंस, किंग, द वर्ड किंग इज अ कॉमन नाउन. किंग कैन बी रेफर्ड टू एज एनी किंग और a class of kings. Next, Delhi is the capital city of India. Now here the word city can refer to any city in the world. So city is the common noun here. Pluto is my pet dog. Now in this sentence, dog, the word dog can be referred to as any dog in the whole wide world. So dog can be referred to as the common noun. Now common nouns are further divided into abstract and collective nouns. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are those nouns which denote a quality, an action or a state. They are those nouns which can be felt but cannot be seen or touched. यानी ये वह nouns हैं जिनको हम देख नहीं सकते या छू नहीं सकते, सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हैं. For example, goodness, kindness, laughter, childhood, etc. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are the nouns which denote a collection, यानी समूह of people, places, animals or things. For example, a bunch of grapes, यानी grapes का एक bunch. A fleet of ships, a crowd of people, an audience of people, etc. Now nouns can be further classified into two more categories, based on the quantifiable nature of the nouns, यानी उनकी measurable होने की क्षमता यानी मापने की क्षमता पर. Now the two categories are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, जिनको count किया जा सके, and uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted, जिनको count नहीं किया जा सकता. Now countable nouns are further divided into two categories, singular nouns and plural nouns, and uncountable nouns have only one form. Now some examples of countable nouns are girl, girls, person, people, chair, chairs, teacher, teachers. And some examples of uncountable nouns are hair, बालों को काउंट नहीं किया जा सकता. ऑयल, ऑयल यानी तेल, कोई भी लिक्विड चीज हो उसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, जैसे पानी, तेल, sugar, salt, etc. Now there is a way to make uncountable nouns countable. How to do that? The easier way of making uncountable nouns countable is you just have to add a countable element to the uncountable noun. For example, bottle of water. Now here bottle is countable. Bottle, bottles. A bottle is a countable noun. Now bottle of water. Water is the uncountable noun. So bottle of water can be counted. There can be 3 bottles of water kept. There can only be a single bottle of water kept, etc. Can of oil. Cans can be counted. Oil is uncountable. So can of oil, if we use together, it becomes a countable element. Packet of sugar. Now packet is a countable noun and sugar is an uncountable noun. When used together, we make that a countable element. Now on your screens, you will see a let's practice session. So we have to underline proper nouns and circle common nouns in the following 5 sentences. Let's go one by one. Number 1. Mr. Brown walked his dog down the street. Now here, proper noun is Mr. Brown. It is a name of a particular person. So Mr. Brown we will underline. Walked his dog down the street. Now dog and street both are common nouns and thus we will circle them. Next, Tanner is younger than his brother. Now Tanner is the name of a person, so he is a proper noun and he is younger than his brother. Brother is a name of class of all kinds of brothers. So brother is a common noun and thus we will circle it. Next, Mrs. Smith teaches the students how to read. Now, Mrs. Smith is a proper noun and we will underline it. Teaches the students how to read. Now, students is common noun and we will circle it. Next, my father took us to the restaurant. Now, here the name of the father is not given. Now, father is the word which can be used for any father, for all fathers. So father is a common noun and thus we will circle it. Took us to the restaurant. Now the name of the restaurant is also not given. So restaurant is a common noun and we will circle it. Next, the team will play in the grand stadium. The team. So team is a collective noun which is a collection of players. Team is a collective noun which comes under common noun. So team we will circle. Will play in the grand stadium. So grand stadium is the name of the stadium and hence grand stadium becomes proper noun and we will underline it. Next, let's classify the following nouns as proper, common, collective or abstract nouns. Number 1, India. India is a proper noun. It is the name of a particular place. So India will be a proper noun. Dog. Dog is a name given to the class of all dogs. So dog is a common noun. Childhood. Childhood is an abstract idea. We cannot touch or we cannot see childhood. Childhood is an abstract noun. Laughter. Laughter yani hasi. You cannot touch it. You can only feel it. So hasi or laughter is an abstract noun. Crowd. Crowd is a collection of people. So crowd is a collective noun. River Ganga. Now Ganga river is a particular river and hence it is a proper noun. Another one, river, only river. Now the word river can be used for any river. So it is a common noun. Pen. Pen can be used for any pen. So pen is also a common noun. Sadness. Sadness is a feeling. Now all feelings are abstract nouns and hence it is an abstract noun. A bouquet. Bouquet is a bunch of flowers. So bouquet can be a collective noun. Now let's practice and let's classify the following nouns as countable or uncountable nouns. Air. So there is no plural of air. There is no airs. So air is an uncountable noun. आप इसको count नहीं कर सकते. Soup. Soup is in liquid form. Any liquid is an uncountable noun. So soup will also be an uncountable noun. Friendship. Now you cannot count friendship. फ्रेंडशिप यानी दोस्ती, आप किसी भी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. सो फ्रेंडशिप इज एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन एंड इट इज अनकाउंटेबल. सी यानी समुंदर. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सी वाटर, नाउ सी वाटर इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. However, if we talk about the sea, the Atlantic Sea or the Arctic Sea, now they can be counted. So sea essentially is a countable noun. Pin. Pin is a countable noun. You can count the number of pins. Book. Book is also a countable noun. Mountain. Mountain is also a countable noun. Dress. Dress, you can count how many dresses you have. So dress is a countable noun. Grass. Now grass is an expanse of grass. Now grass is an uncountable noun. You cannot count grass. Grass is an uncountable noun. Drink. Drink is a liquid concoction and it is an uncountable noun. That's it for today and hope you learned something today and we will see you in the next video. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.